Good morning. So the first word for today is Riley. Okay, first let me show you the pronunciation.
Riley,
Riley.
Riley,
Okay, this is the pronunciation. Pay attention to this once again.
Riley,
Riley. In a way that expresses dry, especially mocking. It's like mocking humor. Okay. So in a way that shows you find a bad or difficult situation slightly funny. Okay. So that is known as Riley. He grinned. Grin means smile widely, broad smile. He grinned wryly. Okay. So it's a bad situation, but he finds it's slightly funny. Aides describe him as wryly amused and intensify interest in his whereabouts by the media. A wryly smile, wrong spelling over here. Riley. Okay, Riley. Riley smile or Riley comment. Okay, so that is Riley. So let's see whether we can get some newspapers. So here is a sentence from the newspaper. Riley funny. We had a couple of examples recently and they are as perplexing as they are Riley funny. So perplex means confusing. Okay. Next word is green. Green means wide smile. Broad smile is known as green. So this is known as grinning. This wide smile memes are there, right? Emojis, green. Okay. So this is known as green. So one second. Green. So grin from ear to ear, or you can say smile from ear to ear. So smile from ear to ear, that is also a good phrase of ear related to smiling. Grin from ear to ear, or you can say smile from ear to ear. So that's why ear is big. Okay. I assume things had gone well for him because he had a big grin on his face. So, big grin on his face. A broad or sheepish grin. That child's got such a cheeky grin. I love his mischievous grin, don't you? The baby turned and gave me a toothy grin. At 70, he still retained his impish grin. So there are different terms, sentence, whatever you don't know, you can check. Next word is harmony. So as you already know, so it's basically related to music. So a pleasant musical sound made by different notes being played or sung at the same time. Played or sung at the same time. So it's musical sound made by different notes. It is a simple melody with complex harmonies. Next, so there is another meaning for the word harmony. That is, it is a situation in which people are peaceful and agree with each other. So they are, if people are peaceful and agree with each other, that is known as harmony. So I will just show you the newspaper reports. Okay. Communal harmony. These are the pictures of communal harmony. So one example, Hindu chant to Muslim beats at a temple in HP's Kangra. One example of communal harmony. So it's a perfect picture of communal harmony. Okay. So they agree with each other and they are having a peaceful atmosphere. Racial harmony, domestic harmony. Imagine a society in which everyone lives together in perfect harmony. So we must ensure that tourism develops in harmony with the environment. So this is a good sentence related to tourism, harmony. Now flog. Flog means punish. So to beat someone very hard with a whip is known as flog. So this is the picture for flog. Punishing with whip. Okay, that is known as flog. Soldiers used to be flogged for disobedience, to sell. Okay, he tried to flog his old car. So one more meaning is there. It means flog means basically punishment. So punishing. So otherwise you can to sell especially quickly or cheaply. That is another meaning for this. He tried to flog. He tried to sell his car quickly or cheaply, but no one would buy it. That is known as flog. Now flog something to death. Flog something. Okay, I will show you the newspaper report now. So flog means punish. Man flogged for premarital sex feigns revive to finish punishment. Flogging, crucifixion throughout Good Friday in Philippines. Flogging, okay, whipping, right? Now, flog something to death means it's no longer interesting. Okay. So the exact meaning will be like this. To linger over or discuss something so long and to such a tedious and laborious extent that the subject is no longer of any interest or relevance. So basically means it's like discussing for such a long time, and so if you discuss for such a long time it will become so bored, uninteresting. It will become uninteresting subject. So that is known as flog something to death. Example sentence are, I think we should move on to another topic before we flog this one to death. The film's rhetorical message has been flogged to death by everyone you talk to. So talk for so much time and now it become uninteresting, right? Some news it is some news which we see in the newspaper sometimes is flogged to death. Now what is the meaning of rhetoric? Okay, rhetoric means it's a part of speech or right intended to be effective and if influence people. So speech or writing intended to be effective and influence people, that is known as rhetoric. How far the sentence is, how far the president will be able to translate his campaign rhetoric into actions remains to be seen. I was swayed by her rhetoric. Rhetoric means effective and influencing people into donating all my savings to the charity. I was swayed by her rhetoric into donating all my savings into the charity. Flog a dead horse. So flog a dead horse means to waste effort on something when there is no chance of succeeding. So it's like flog a dead horse. So it will be here flogging dead horse. So it's like wasting time, energy. So that is known as flog a dead horse. So he keeps trying to get it published, but I think he is flogging a dead horse. Flogging a dead horse. Flogging dead horse. Okay. Next word is implausible. So implausible meaning unconvincing. So this is the word for newspaper heading for rhetoric. Political rhetoric. Why less can mean more. So if you read only you will understand. If you talk less words means it is more effective. So usually newspaper journalist has to report the news with less words with more meaning to it, right? They can't give a long speech within short time. That is known as, that's what they are discussing over here. Implausible means incredible, unbelievable, unconvincing. So it's this picture is slightly unconvincing, right? So that is known as implausible. Once again, implausible, unconvincing, unbelievable, incredible. So this is the careless policing, implausible cases. So if you read, you will get the remaining thing. So let's look at the sentence. The whole plot of the film is ridiculously implausible, unbelievable, okay, incredible, or unconvincing. So if it's for essays and all, implausible is the best word. He implausibly claimed to know nothing about it. The figures cited are implausibly high. This is an implausibly upbeat story. The soldiers in the movie are implausibly well groomed. Okay, so that's the end. So surely there is a future for you all, and your hope will not be cut off. Thank you.